Good morning, students. In this today's lecture, we are going to solve the numerical based on the relation between electric potential and what? Energy. Okay, electrostatic energy. I will just last time we derived the relation between what? Electric field and electric potential. Okay, so now I am going to solve the numerical between, I'm going to solve the numerical based on what? Relation between what? Work done and what? Charge. Okay, students, and electric potential. So students, dw equals, you have to remember the formula. dw equals to what? Q multiplied by what? V or dv. This relation I'm going to apply, and let us solve the numerical first. Potential at point A in space is given as 4 into 10 raised to 5. So what is given here, students? Potential is given. Find the work done in bringing a charge of 3 microcoulomb. So students, charge of 3 microcoulomb is given. Micro means what? 3 into 10 raised to minus 6 coulomb. From infinity to point A. Okay. So students, what is the work done? Question is what? How much work is done when point is shift from infinity to point A? So students, infinity work done when charge is what? Move from infinity to point A is given by what? How much, energy or work done when charge is bring from infinity to point A is given by the value of charge multiplied by what? Voltage at point A. Okay. So students, what is Q naught value here? 3 into 10 raised to minus 6. It is given over here. And value of voltage at point A is what? 4 into 10 raised to 5. So 3 4s are 12. 12 into 10 raised to minus 1. Because of this minus 1, point will shift towards left. So what is the final answer? 1.2 volt. Okay. Hope so you understood the simple numerical. Let us do the next numerical. If 120 joule, then read, I can see the numerical. 120 joule of work is done in carrying a charge of 6 coulomb. So students, work done is given here. When charge is moved from point A to B. And what is the charge value here? 6 coulomb. Voltage at point A is given, that is what? 10 volt. Voltage at point B, we don't know. Okay, so what is the relation between, as I told you, what is the relation between electric potential and the work done? dV equals to what, students? dV equals to dW upon Q. When charge is bring from point B to point A. Okay, how much work is done here? 120 joule. And what is the charge over there? 6. So we don't know value of VB, students. So I'm going to find out the value of VB. So let value of VB be what? V. Let the value of VB be what? V. Okay, students. Let value of VB is V. Let value of VA. We are written here 10. So it's a 20. So what is V equals to 30 volt. The simple one. Okay, simple numerical. Okay. Hope so you understood the answer. Thank you very much.